Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix slow and lagging Windows 10. To start, click Start and select Settings. Here, click on Privacy. Now on General, disable all available switches. After that, in Speech, verify that the online speech recognition switch is disabled. Then, under Diagnostics and Feedback, turn off the switch, improve inking and typing. Then under Location, turn off the switch on Allow apps to access your location. Under Camera, turn off the switch, allow apps to access your camera. After on Microphone, turn off the switch, allow apps to access your microphone. On Voice Activation, check that switch, allow apps to use voice activation is off. After this, in Notifications, turn off the switch to allow apps to access your notifications. Then under Account Info, turn off the switch, allow apps to access your account info. You're going to go to Contacts here, turn off the switch, allow apps to access your contacts. After on Calendars, turn off the switch, allow apps to access your calendar. In Phone Calls, turn off the switch, allow apps to make phone calls. Then in Call History, allow apps to access your call history. Then in Email, turn off the switch, allow apps to access your email. Here on Tasks, turn off the switch, allow apps to access your tasks. Now in Messaging, turn off the switch on allow apps to read or send messages. In the Radios section, turn off the switch, allow apps to control the device radios. After this, on Other Devices, turn off the Communicate with Unpaired Devices switch. Now under Background Apps, turn off Let Apps Run in the Background switch. Here in App Diagnostics, turn off the switch, allow apps to access diagnostics info about your other apps. In Documents, turn off the switch, allow apps to access your documents library. Then under Pictures, turn off the switch, allow apps to access your pictures library. Then under Videos, turn off the switch, allow apps to access your videos library. Finally, under File System, turn off the switch, allow apps to access your file system. To complete the process, restart Windows 10. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.